suggests an answer. When it is threatened by its enemies, it responds by spreading the great frill it has around its neck. But if that doesn't scare them off, it runs away on its hind legs. If such a reptile had developed feathery scales on its forelegs and then spread them out, then it might easily lift into the air and so escape a land-bound predator.
Poor tramps.
There's another possibility. Maybe that early reptile did not live on the ground, but climbed in the trees searching for food, as today the little flying lizard of Borneo does. It now glides from tree to tree. It has developed wings that are flaps of skin, supported by elongated legs. If that early enterprising reptile with feathery